Water and
New engine, wow. Old car. Wow, vintage car. Interesting. Wow, it's absolutely new battery. 1965. Oh wow, there are more. It's 1970 Pontiac. Wow. 1964. Oh my god. There are more. Wow. All wheels. What year is that? No say. Wow. There's a painting of this car. Interesting. $1992. Wow. All old vintage cars. See this lady dancing? How you doing? I'm good, thank you. It's 1959. Wow, even older. See? Looks like the car in which James Bond used to come. That's a little junky. Wow, this is maintained pretty well. It's so surprising. That's a junk, and this is maintained so well. Wow. Yeah, this looks like a newer one. I don't know why this is on display over here. See, this is 2003. That's 1967. Interesting, guys. Nice. I love vintage cars, but I don't know if I will be buying one. It's too much money to maintain. It's only for people who are fond of, you know, older car and can splurge in those cars. 1987 GMC. This looks pretty classy, see? This person is so artistic.
You at El Toro at any time?
That's 67,
I
68.
kind of was just because it got taken down when I was in
$69.
I was going to college up in Mount Sac.
Nice. That's newer seats. Wow. Interesting. Okay guys, so signing off from here. Thank you.